Today we are going to learn about applications of exponents to express numbers in usual form. We have already idea about how to express very large numbers in standard form. The below one gives you converting a number in standard form to usual form. Convert 4.37 in 10 power 5 into usual form. The solution 4.37 in 10 power 5. So this 10 power 5 can be written as like this. The product of 5 tens, 10 into 10 into 10 into 10, which gives us the result. So 4.37 in 1 after 5 zeros. This 4.537 has two decimal places which are non-zero numbers. So hence it can be written in a fractional form is like this 437 by 100. So this 100 is cancelled like this. So the final result is like this. So this is the final result. The second problem. Convert 32.5 in 10 power negative 4. 32 point into 10 power negative 4, that is equal to 32.5 into 1 by 10 power positive 4. Here is the theory, law of indices. A power negative m can be written as 1 by a power positive m, where a is not equals to 0. And so using this law, we write 10 power negative 4 as 1 by 10 power positive 4. 32.5 has a non-zero number in its 10th place. So this can be converted into fractional form is like this. 325 by 10 into 1 by 10 power 4 means 1 after 4 zeros. So the product is like this 325 by 1 after 5 zeros, 1 0, and this 4 zeros gives us 1 after 5 zeros. So final result is when we convert this into a decimal form, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the decimal is like this. Before the 5 digits, the decimal, we put this decimal. Third problem. Convert 3.71529 in 10 power 7 into usual form. So 10 power 7 can be extended as 1 after 7 zeros. 7 zeros. So this 3.71529 can be converted into, since there are 5 non-zero digits in decimal part, so we have to divide 371,529 by 1 after 5 zeros. These can be cancelled like this. So the final result is like this. Fourth problem. In a stack, there are 5 books, each of thickness 20 mm, and 5 paper sheets, each of thickness 0.016 mm. What is the total thickness of the stack? Thickness of each book equals to 20 mm. Let us observe a figure. This is thickness, means this will give us the thickness. Thickness of 5-6 books. If the books are placed in one above one like this, so the total thickness is 5 into 20 gives us 100 mm. Similarly, thickness of each paper equal to 0.016. Thickness of 5 such papers is like this 0.080 mm. So total thickness means this 100 mm plus this 0.080 mm gives us 100.080 mm. Fifth problem. Do you agree with the following? X power negative 4 into x power negative 2 equals to x power negative 6. First problem, and second problem is like this. The third problem is like this. We have already learnt about the laws of indices. So using that, we are going to solve this problem. X power negative 4 into x power negative 2 is equals to x power negative 6. Here the bases are equal and this is a product law. So we use this law. A power m into a power n gives us a power m plus n. Hence by using this, x power negative 4 and x power negative 2 can be written as x power negative 4 minus negative 2, which gives us x power negative 6. So this is equals to the right side. Hence this is correct. The second problem. X power 3 by x power 2 equals to x power 4. This is like this, a power m by a power n equals to a power m minus n. When m is greater than n, that means the exponent of numerator is greater than the exponent of the denominator. Hence we use this law. So x power 3 by x power 2 gives us x power 3 minus 2, which is equals to x power 1. But it is given that this division is equal to the coefficient is equals to x power 4, which is not correct. Solution 3. X power 2 whole power 3, that can be written as using this law of indices. A power m whole power n gives us a power mn. Hence x power 2 whole power 3 equals to x power 2 into 3. 2 into 3 gives us x power 6. So this should be equals to x power 6. Whereas x power 2 cube, 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2, which gives us x power 8. But x power 8 never equals to x power 6. So for the final result is the given problem stands not correct. The given problem stands not correct. So this is not equals to the given result. Thank you.